Amy and Brian, as you hold hands, may you see the gift that they are to you. These are the hands holding yours on your wedding day, as you promise to love each other today, tomorrow, and forever. These are the hands that will work alongside yours as together you build your future.
When we kiss, they're perfectly aligned. I have to speculate that God himself did make us into.
From the earliest times, the circle has been a sign of completeness. The rings that you have chosen to wear have neither beginning nor end.
My troubled head when you're away, when I am missing you to death. You were out there on the road for several weeks of shows, and when you
Brian, I give you this ring as a reminder.
That I will love, honor, and cherish you.
In all times, in all places.
And always, forever.
You'll carry with you the love of another person, a love that helps you navigate the rough patches in life, a love that heightens the blessed moments. May your life together be immersed in adventure, happiness, and excitement. May you strive to enrich each other in every possible way. And may you work to bring the peace you find in each other to this world. By the power of your love and commitment to each other, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.